Welcome back to TECH24, your go-to source for the latest in tech and innovation. Today, we're thrilled to dive into the future of virtual reality with a comprehensive look at the Apple Vision Pro. This cutting-edge device from Apple is redefining the VR experience, blending high-resolution sensors and cameras to deliver precise motion tracking and real-time 3D rendering. The Apple Vision Pro introduces an innovative feature where the glass can change its transparency based on context, ensuring optimal readability of applications while maintaining your connection to the surrounding world. Coupled with spatial audio technology, the sound moves with you, creating an incredibly realistic sense of presence in virtual environments. Whether turning your head or moving around, the audio adapts seamlessly, keeping you fully immersed. What sets the Apple Vision Pro apart is its meticulous design, aimed at maximizing comfort and ease of use. From its body materials to the user interface, every aspect is crafted to let users fully immerse themselves in virtual worlds without any compromise on comfort. Key features of the Apple Vision Pro include video quality. Dual high-resolution displays push billions of pixels per second, ensuring crystal clear vision of your virtual surroundings. Audio experience. With spatial audio and strategically placed drivers, sounds feel like they're emanating from around you, enhancing the realism of the virtual world. Motion tracking. Eye and head movement tracking, along with precise hand motion detection, allows for a controller-free interaction, making the virtual experience more intuitive. Performance. The dual-chip design ensures fast data processing and breathtaking graphics, maintaining high performance without sacrificing efficiency. Privacy and security. Designed with privacy in mind, the Apple Vision Pro ensures user data control and protection. Developer platform. Offers new tools and opportunities for creating unique spatial experiences. The device promises an endless workspace, letting users arrange and scale applications as they see fit, and offers an unmatched theatrical experience with spatial audio, transforming any room into a personal cinema. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a step forward in virtual reality technologies, it's a giant leap. With its ability to capture spatial photos and videos, enhance collaborative work and connections through FaceTime, and powered by the Visionos for a potent spatial experience, it's designed to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Remember, if you're looking to get your hands on the Apple Vision Pro or explore other tech gadgets, don't miss out on fantastic deals available through the link in our description. Shopping through our link supports the channel and helps us bring more content like this to you. Stay tuned to TECH24 for more updates on cutting-edge technology that shapes our future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting update from us. Share your thoughts on the Apple Vision Pro in the comments below or let us know what tech you're excited about. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology with us.